can see how easy it is to automate the primary text, the headline, the creative. It saves so much time, honestly. Like, you have no idea how much time I've spent creating Facebook ads in the past. And then we've got the targeting recommendations here, right? So it actually gives you ideas on, like, okay, here's the best countries to target, right? If you want to get clients from Facebook ads, here's the best age, here's the best job titles, here's the best interests, here's some behaviors, here's some interests, right? So Neil Patel, Ackland Co, Gary Vaynerchuk, etc. Right? And then we can just copy that and paste it straight into Facebook as well. So if you want this tool too, I'm going to copy that link, and that is the Facebook ads generator. Boom shakalaka. All right. So you got 5 free tools there. You know exactly how to implement this. You know how to use it. You know how easy it is. And you've even got an example prompt that I used to create the live stream tool generator. Now, the cool thing I like about this is, like, most of the time, $0, right? It didn't cost me anything to create any of these tools, but I've just automated a bunch of SaaS tools that I absolutely love. You can see how easy this is, right? There's nothing stopping you. A lot of people, they message me and they say, I feel overwhelmed, blah, blah, blah. And so what I'd recommend is, like, if you feel overwhelmed, audit your time and just figure out, okay, what's the one thing, what's the number one constraint that if I automated that or delegated that or eliminated that with AI, it would change everything, right? What's the one thing? And then you just rinse and repeat that every single week. Like, I have a playbook with all my SOPs, and I think across the history of my company, I've created hundreds of SOPs, right? Standard operating procedures. Because every time you automate a process or you hand it over to someone else, you level up and you level up again. And that's how you get more for the same amount of time, right? So for example, if I work today and I've got an empire of 50 people working for me, well, then my time and the amount that we do in one single day is huge, right? Whereas, for example, if I am just doing everything myself and I'm not using this process right here, if you do not use this process, then how are you going to level up? How are you going to get more for your time? How are you going to get more leverage, right? You can't. And so this is what it's all about. This is a game, my friends. And this is how you make it really practical and simple, but level up your processes in a way that just saves you so much time and grows your business, right? That's what we're talking about. That's the sort of result we want to achieve today.